Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can basically make an image transparent on Google Slides. So you're just going to select insert image. You can either upload from computer or search the web or from like Drive, like your Google Drive, Photos, URL, or Camera. So I'm just going to select upload from computer for mine. And I'm going to select a picture and I'm just going to add it like so, and I'm just going to resize it a little bit. Then you're going to select format options and you're going to select adjustments. Here is where you can adjust your picture's transparency. If you want it very transparent, go to the very right, but I'm just going to set it at 50%. So if I put it on top of like a text, as you can see, well, you still can see the text because the picture is transparent. I'm just going to crop it a little bit and adjust the transparency just a little bit more, like so. And as you can see the text. I keep on saying that. But anyways, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!